Welcome, today in front of me a new iPad Air 2022 4th generation Wi-Fi edition, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume of this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. And now just to change the ringtone volume of your device, you should swipe to the left or to the right this volume panel, this white dot on the ringtone volume panel. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just be sure that the volume button control switcher is activated, and then by press the up or down volume button you can also change ringtone volume of your device. And also we got the third way, just by using control center. So you should swipe on the right upper corner, and here we got the volume panel. Just swipe up or down with your finger this volume button, and by this way we can adjust the ringtone volume of our iPad Air. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.